name your price in the beginning. If it ever gets more expensive than the price you name, get out of there. Thus, Africa.
What's the cost of $1 if I got no sins, no direction, no sign of his presence? No, I could have all the dollars, but you'd have my name. I would have all the fortune with my soul in flames, but I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Christ died on the cross to get it back for me. Yeah, I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, not my soul. Hell no, hell no.
Get out of there.
What's the cost of $1 if I got fake friends? Them come around when I'm spending. I'm just a means to an end. Oh, let's not forget my family, cause nobody's exempt. I fought too hard to keep hell from around me, to fool up and be pimped. So I rebuke you, Satan. You have no power here. I'd give all my dollars if heaven is my career. What's the cost of $1 if I got no control, if I got no future, if I got no soul? But yeah, I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. I don't wanna lose my soul. Christ died on the cross to get it back for me. I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Hell no, hell no.
Get out of there.
Could it be the reason I get so distracted is because the enemy knows what I shall be? Could it be the reason for all the problems is simply a vision thing? So my eyes are fixed, my mind is fixed, my heart is fixed on a fight that's fixed. It is finished, it was finished before it started. Could it be the song from my tears could water the seed of my destiny? Oh, and maybe, just maybe, I should stop crying, breathing and walking God's plan for me. Yeah. So my eyes are fixed, my mind is fixed, my heart is fixed on the fight that's fixed. It is finished, it was finished before it started. It is good.